Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accident prone. Accident prone. Accident prone. Accident prone is an adjective used to describe a person or thing that is more likely to be involved in accidents or incidents due to a higher susceptibility to mishaps. It suggests a tendency for accidents to occur repeatedly. Here are some examples. Example number 1. John is quite accident prone. He's had 3 car accidents in the last year alone. Why accident prone is used in example number 1. Accident prone characterizes John as someone who frequently experiences accidents, especially in the context of car accidents. Example number 2. The old staircase in the building is accident prone because of its worn out steps. Why accident prone is used in example number 2. Accident prone describes the staircase as being susceptible to accidents due to its deteriorated condition. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.